You will receive an email that looks a lot like this one that has the link to the plugin download, as well as a link to the free plugin and the license key that will be assigned to your account only. At any time, you can go to My Account and view those details from this dashboard, including the ability to see the purchase history, download your invoices, and manage your licenses so that you can determine what sites have the license active and what sites don't. And at any time, you can upgrade your license to a different pass. For this demonstration, I have already installed Stop Spammers, which can be found in the WordPress repository. I've also downloaded the Stop Spammers premium zip file, which can be directly uploaded to your websites or imported using FTP. Once activated, you'll see a new submenu under Stop Spammers called License Key. You'll need to go to the License Key submenu and add the key that was generated from your purchase, click Save Changes, and then click Activate. Once that's done, you'll see another submenu appear called Premium Features.